Hi, I'm Kim, and I've been a clinical audiologist for almost 3 decades. And I'm here to talk to you about why you should pay for a hearing test. And your question to me is probably like, well, why would I get a hearing test when I can get it for free? And I'm going to tell you why. Unless you're getting a screening and you just want to find out if you have a hearing loss, that's all great. But if you want to find out the truth of your hearing loss, a diagnostic hearing test is important to pay for number one reason. You want to find out if you have a medical underlying condition. 2, you don't want to be pushed a product. 3, you want counseling, good counseling. 4, you want transparency and truth. So again, a free hearing test comes with some kind of an agenda. We recommend that you get a hearing test before you self-diagnose and buy a product for a situation that you can't hear in, because all the products have different varying of help. So at Hears Hearing Hearables, we have a consultation that you could do as well. There's a small fee, not a big fee, and we're standing by to help you find that product. But make sure that you get a nice hearing test that you pay for, that is yours, that you own it. Thanks.